Wilfred.
Can I push him?
Yeah, you can push him.
You can put that on and swing it to him. You push it. Hey!
Jenna, let her push him now. Wilfred. Haley, he doesn't have claws. He's not going to hurt you.
Just that one, but I don't think it's so bad. Hi! Hi! I don't see anybody. I don't see anybody.
Haley, push him again.
Okay, push to that one now. He's gonna see you. I got to I'm a bad pusher.
You are a good pusher. Wilfred, get it.
You're supposed to wave it like that.
Wilfred.
I'm gonna take it.
Poor cat.
You can push it for a little while. Then how can I push it?
All right, we're done. We got to get ready for school.